So first equation of motion similar to second equation of motion also. S equal derive S equal to ut plus half at square. So consider a body moving with a uniform velocity. Initial velocity u, final velocity is v, time is t, distance is s, acceleration a, distance is s. So here two times will be written, okay, one time only. Okay, here you can be observe distance equal to average velocity into time taken. So here s equal to u plus v by 2 into t. So distance means yes, average velocity means u plus v by 2 into t. So we know v equal to u plus at. That one will be substitute in this equation. V place v equal to u plus at by 2 into t. So u plus u, 1 donkey plus 1 donkey, 2 donkey. So that's why 2u plus at by 2 into t. So 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. So 2 get cancelled. So into t, ut. So 8 into t, 8 square by 2. So s equal to ut plus half 8 square. Hence proved. So once again you can observe, Nana, here most important one is, so first of all similar to first equation of motion only. So third equation of motion now I will be write, that is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So same matter. So consider a body is moving with uniform velocity. Initial velocity is a, so final velocity is v, time is t, distance is s, acceleration a. So here, so distance equal to average velocity and same nana dini kuda. So here s equal to u plus v by 2 into t. So same manner s equal to u plus v by 2 into t. So here you can be observe v equal to u plus at, you know that one. So v minus u, v plus u will be go to that side, v minus u, a will be go to this side by a, that equal to t. So here t place you can be substitute v minus u by a. So here by seeing of this equation you can be substitute v equal to u plus at. So v minus u by a equal to t. This one will be substitute on that equation. So here s equal to u plus v by 2. So first into t place v minus u by a. So this one is similar to first, this one will be right like first v, second u. So v plus u by 2 into v minus u by a. This one is similar to formula a plus b into a minus b formula, you know very well. U plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So substitute this equation. So v square minus u square by 2a. Already is there left side, yes. So 2a will be go to that side multiplied. So 2as equal to v square minus u square. So v square minus u square equal to 2as simply derived. So hence proved. This one is called as third equation of motion, simple derivation.